Hey everyone, this is Antonio again with another video update. This is a way how you can install Super User without flashing it. You can download it directly from the Play Store without flashing it to your phone. Um, all you need to do, go to the Play Store. Okay, up here, you're going to type in Super SU up top. I'm sorry about the camera, you guys. Um, I'm borrowing my mother's phone because I sold my other phone. It was a Samsung Galaxy Y, so I'm borrowing this one. So I'm borrowing my mom's phone to video call, video call, sorry, my bad, to record the screen of my phone. It is a Nokia C6. You're going to install this right here, Super SU, Chain Fire, install. Should be downloading. Okay, it's installing. Okay, it has been installed now. So you're going to go back. You're going to look for it. Where it is. Here you go. You go right here. And open it. Okay, you're going to click no thanks. Okay, you're going to go over settings over there. You're going to look for you're going to look for install Super SU into system right there. I'm going to click on it right there. I'm going to click continue, install into system. This camera is very poor. Okay. Let me see. It's supposed to. Let I restart my phone. There you go. You're going to see this come up on the screen. Android is updating. My bad. Okay. It's finished. And click there. Enter. Okay. Okay, it's still loading up the apps. Okay, there you go. There you go, super user. Okay. Now that's how you can install the super user without flashing it.